Well, today is another day in North Carolina. I'm just outside of Charlotte on a little lake, and today's challenge for me personally is going to be trying to find a bass that's over 20 inches. Part of a team, it's called Mach Nation, and they got a little competition going on this week. Submit a 20-inch bass or better and get entered into a couple of drawings. So that's what I'm looking for today, is that 20-inch or better on a bass, and we'll see what we can do. Come along for the ride. Thanks for joining me. Let's get to it. Well, what I'm going to do is start off this morning with throwing a frog. I'm going to throw this popping frog. It's a little walking popping frog. Going with this green leopard pattern. I really like this frog. I like the size of it. We'll see what it can do on this lake. Hopefully the bass are willing to come out and play. I've only been to this lake once. I haven't ever fished it. This is the first time I'm fishing it, but I've been to it, just scoped it out, just kind of scouted it one day, and I did see a couple of bluegill beds. I didn't really see any bass beds, but I don't know if the bass are done spawning or if they're still coming up. I mean, I'm sure that they're almost done. However, the weather hasn't been the greatest, so it hasn't been that warm. Ooh, that was a bad cast. There we go, there's one. He shot out of there. All right, well, let's see. This one's gonna be close, I think. This might be pushing 18 inches. Shot right out of the cover. Sitting at 17.5 inches. So, a lot of fun. I'm gonna put this guy back. Might even be a female. Tail's not red or anything like that, though. Look at that. Good one. No. Come here. Another good one right off the shallows. $18 inches on the spinnerbait, on the H2OX spinnerbait. This is basically the Academy Sports version of a spinnerbait. That's their in-house spinnerbait, 18 inches here in North Carolina. Awesome. Good looking fish too. It's got that copper on the back right there. Spots. It's got that big spot back there on the tail. Beautiful fish. There you go. This is a good one. This might be the 20-incher, man. Maybe, or it's just, this is a really strong one. Might be just a really strong one too. Well, another one. Another one on the spinnerbait. Good looking bass. He's 17 inches, just shy of 17 and a quarter. So a lot of fun. Let this guy go. Good belly. Good one. Really good one. Oh, and he came off. No. Oh, that was a really good one. That was the 20-incher. Dang it. Dude. Man. I knew right when he was getting me in trouble with the tree, I might not catch that one. Oh my. That was a good one too. That's a tank. That's a tank. Oh, that's a tank. That's a toad eater right there. You toad eater. Wow. Hey guys, I think we just got a 20-incher on the frog. Well, this is what I caught him on. This frog right here. Pushing. Let's see if I'm making sure you guys are seeing this. Right there is what I caught him on. It's a red-eyed toad. Right there. Thing. It's awesome. 20 and a quarter, I think it was. 20 and a quarter inches. Something like that. So, definitely made it over. Tail's all bloodied up. Yeah, 20. Almost 20 and a quarter. Look at that. This thing is big. There we go. You're a eating fish, aren't you? Look at that tail. They're all bloodied up. All right, well. Oh man, you made a huge splash. Well, that's going to do it for today's episode. We achieved our goal. We got the 20-inch bass that we needed to submit to the challenge for this week. I'm loving these little mini challenges, these little week-long challenges. They're fun. They're kind of unique, and a little bit different from tournament fishing, and just a lot of fun. So looking forward to the next one. Hope you guys enjoyed this episode as much as I did making it for you. We'll see you again.